Hi, my name is Adebayo. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to manage category by seller. It is very easy. Come along with me and let's get started. Launch your browser and enter uber.com to take you to the home page. Locate seller login at Uber home page, top menu bar. Log in with your username and password as a returning seller. Now I'm in my seller account. Scroll down and locate my store. Beside manage category, there is an icon. Click that icon. It's going to give you how you are going to go about manage category. So quickly read it to digest and close the description. And click manage category again. So a manage category page will be loaded. You see all the list of categories. Then click insert to create a new category. In this, we have 3 tabs. The tabs are in different languages. One, we have English tab, we have Portuguese tab, and we have Dutch tab. So if you are going to create a category like I'm doing now, I want to put downloadable. So you have to translate the word downloadable in Portuguese. Whatever they translate, you insert in Portuguese tab. Like here now, I don't do any translate. That's why I'm inserting the same words into all the tabs. But if you translate using Google Translate, then the result of the translate is what you are going to use to insert in each of the tabs. So like this, I'm done with the English. Ctrl V to paste. Then I want to do that of the Portuguese. So I will insert, keep inserting to the meta tag description. Then I click on Dutch tab, Ctrl V, insert, also insert. Then just go through it. If there's any mistake, then check whether it is parent. If it is not parent, you are going to adjust it. Then once you save, you see a successful media. Thank you for posting your category. So thank you for this lesson. Have a wonderful day.